Today we'll continue on using our log laws, and I've written two of them that are applied to the current worked example 9. So we look at this problem. We've got log base 3 of 27 plus log base 3 of 9 minus log base 3 of 81. If I look at the first two parts of this expression, I can see that it's an addition, and I can also see that it links to me being able to use that first law over here on the right. So I can rewrite this as log base 3 of 27 multiplied by 9. Then I've still got this minus log base 3 of 81. Now we can see that we have a log minus another log. That is the second law that's over here on the right. So I can now rewrite this whole expression as log of base 3, 27 times 9, all divided by 81. And when we go ahead and we look at that, we can then just plug that into our calculator and get our answer. That should be 81, sorry. Okay, so when I plug that in, I get log 3 of 3. And we know when the base and the number here are the same, that always equals 1. So that's a different way to how your worked example in your book is done. So I'm now going to do the same worked example, but using the method that is in your book. So we'll start again. So we've got log 3 of 27 plus log 3 of 9 minus log 3 of 81. And what your book does is they go, okay, we're in base 3, so let's see if we can rewrite every number here in index form so that it has a base of 3. I know 27, for instance, is 3 times 3 times 3, 3 cubed, so I can rewrite that as log to base 3 of 3 cubed. 9 is 3 squared, so that is going to be log base 3, 3 squared, and then 81 is 3 to the power of 4, so that's going to be log base 3, 3 to the 4. Now this allows us to use one of our other log rules that I didn't put on before, but I'll put on now. So if we have log to base a of m and it's to the power of n, we can write that, bringing that power out the front, as n log to base a of m. So it's this law that your book uses to help solve this problem in this method. So let's actually call this method 2. So if I go ahead and do that, I get 3 log 3 of 3 plus 2 log 3 of 3 minus 4 log 3 of 3. All of our log base 3 of 3, all of those equal 1. So we've really got 3 plus 2 minus 4, and that equals 5 minus 4, which equals 1, which is the same answer that we got doing it with the other method. Choose either method that works for you, and you are now looking at questions that are related to this, and that is question 7, page 95, and we'll just do every second one. Okay, every second. Away you go.